What is it? Yes, it is bed. So, what is the first sound of it? B. So, here, B. Which letter? B. So, here, B, D, bed and B-E-D, bed. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is hen. So, what is the first sound of it? H. So, here, H. Which letter? H. H says H. H-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is bag. So, what is the first sound of it? B. So, here, which letter? B. B. So, here, B, G, bag and B-E-G, bag. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is jet. So, what is the first sound of it? J. Here, J. Letter J. So, here, J-E-T, jet and J-A-T, jet. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is phase. So, what is the first sound of it? F. So, here, F. Which letter? F. F-A-Z, phase. So, here, F-E-Z, phase. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is keg. So, what is the first sound of it? K. Here it is hard K. So, here the sound is K. Now, the letter is K. Hard K. K. K-A-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is leg. So, what is the first sound of it? L. 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 So, here, the letter is L. L-A-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Man. So, here, the first sound of it? M. M. So, the letter is M. M-N, men. M-E-N, men. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is lead. So, what is the first sound of it? L. L. The sound is L. So, the letter is L. L-A-D, lead. L-E-D, lead. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is net. So, what is the first sound of it? N. So, here, which letter? N. N. So, here, N-A-T, net. N-E-T, net. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is red. So, what is the first sound it? Yes, it is R. So, here, letter is R. R says R. So, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is pen. So, what is the first sound of it? P. Yes. So, here, which letter? P. So, here it is P-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is 10. So, what is the first sound of it? T. So, here, T. Which letter? T. T-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Now, next one. What is it? It is pet. So, what is the first sound of it? P. So, here, P. Which letter? P. P at pet. P-E-T, pet. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is met. So, what is the first sound of it? M. So, here, M. Which letter? M. M at met. M-E-T, met. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is peg. So, what is the first sound of it? P. So, here, P. So, which letter? P. 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 Peg. P-E-G, peg. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is web. So, what is the beginning sound of it? Web. So, here it is W. So, W. The letter is W. Web. W-E-B, web. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is then. So, what is the first sound of it? D. So, here, which letter? D. D. D says D. D and N, then. D-E-N, then. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is wet. So, what is the first sound of it? Wet. Yes, it is W. So, here, W. W. W at wet. W-E-T, wet. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Guess. It is guess. So, what is the sound of it? Yeah. So, here it is. Which letter? Yes, it is Y. Y says yeah. So, here it is Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. And yes, yes. Okay. So, next one. What is it? Yes, it is king. So, what is the first sound of it? K. Here it is hard K. So the letter is hard K. It is K. K-ing, king. K-I-N-G, king. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is hill. So, what is the first sound of it? H. So, here, H. Which letter? H. H-il, hill. H-I-L-L, hill. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is milk. So, what is the first sound of it? M. So, here, which letter? M. Milk, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is feast. So, what is the first sound of it? Yes, it is. So, here it is. F. Feast, feast. F-I-S-T, feast. Now, next one. What is it? It is lock. So, what is the first sound of it? L. So, here it is. Which letter? L. Lock, lock. So, L-O-C-K, lock. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is bell. So, what is the first sound of it? B. So, here, B. Which letter? B. B says ba. B-L, bell. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is kick. So, what is the first sound of it? Kick. K. Hard K. So, here it is. Hard K. So, the letter is K. K-I-K, kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is hand. So, what is the first letter? Yes, it is H, but the sound is H. So, here it is. Letter is H. H and hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is moon. M. So, the sound is M. First sound is M. So, the letter is M. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is mask. So, what is the first sound? Yes, it is M. M. So, here it is. Which letter? M. Mask, mask. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is desk. So, what is the first sound of it? Desk. So, the sound is D. Here it is. Which letter? D. D. So, here it is. D-E-S-K, desk. D-A-S-K, desk. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is belt. So, what is the first sound of it? B. So, here it is. B. Which letter? B. B-E-L-T, belt. B-E-L-T, belt. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is fish. So, what is the first sound of it? F. So, here it is. F. The letter is F. F-isha, fish. So, F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is ring. So, what is the first sound of it? R. R. The letter is R. So, the sound is R and the letter is R. R-inga, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is nest. So, what is the first sound of it? N. N. So, here it is. N. So, which letter? N. N-E-S-T, nest. N-est, nest. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is pool. So, what is the first sound of it? Pool. P. So, here it is. P. Which letter? P. P says P. P-O-O-L, pool. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? It is dish. So, what is the first sound of it? D. Here it is. D. Which letter? D. D-I-S-H, dish. D-ish, dish. Okay. What is it? It is lamp. So, what is the first sound of it? L. So, here it is. L. Which is the letter? L. L-amp, lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Now, next one. What is it? It is 9. So, which is the first letter? N. And the sound is So, here it is. the sound is N and the letter is N. Okay. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I, 9. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is ball. So what is the first sound of it? B. So here it is. Which letter? B. B. All, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is mice. So what is the first sound of it? Mice. Ma. So here it is. Ma. So here M. Ice, mice. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is leaf. So the sound is, first sound is L. So here it is. L. So the letter is L. Leaf, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is hook. So what is the first sound of it? H. So here it is. H. Which letter? H. Hook. H-O-O-K, hook. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is gate. So what is the first sound of it? G. So here it is. G. Which letter? G. G-A-T-E, get. So G at get. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is cave. So what is the first sound of it? Yes, here it is soft K. So the sound is K. So now the letter is soft K. The letter is C. Cave, cave. C-A-V-E, cave. Okay. What is it? It is tank. So what is the first sound of it? T. T. So here it is. T. Which letter? T. T and tank. Okay. Now next one. What is it? It is rock. So what is the first sound of it? R. R. So here it is. Which letter? R. Yes, it is R. Rock, rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Okay.